that one, which is, I don't know whether to wear Naughty Biscuit, which is that one. Love Latte, which is that one, or Pounty Pink. Out of those three, which one should I wear, guys? Which one? So 1, 2, 3. You tell me, what colour should I put on? 1, 2, 3. Latte. I think you might say that one, Wing. Anyone else want to throw a colour? But look at them, aren't they gorgeous? And the good thing about these guys is they go on like a cream, and they dry to a matte finish, but they stay on for 10 hours, maybe even longer. And you can eat and drink. Number three. So you want that one. Which is Latte. So 2 have said Latte. Pamper Pink. Pounty Pink. Pounty Pink, Wendy Lady. Hello, Wendy Lady. Do you see you stuck on? How are you? Thank you for popping on. So, yeah. So, we've got 1 for Pounty Pink, which is that one. And we've got 2 for Love Latte. So, we've got those 2 guys. So, we've got 1 and 2 votes. So, unless another one comes up, we're going to go for that one. Latte. Hello, so misspelt LOL. That's fine. It's fine. I knew what you meant. How are you, sweetheart? Are you having a good Thursday? But they are gorgeous colours, guys. So this is the new collection. As I said, all of these are available, apart from this one on the very end, which is called I'm Blushing, which is currently out of stock. But you have got all of these shades available, guys. So if you want to know the names of these shades, because obviously I'll put them all back in box now, and I didn't keep them in the order. I didn't keep them in the order that I swatched them on the back of my hand because I'm a donut. But if you want the colours and the names of all these guys, let me know in the comments, and I can send you over the graphic with the colour and the names. As I said, these are available on the website now, guys. Okay, gonna go on with this one. Wow. I think I love Latte. Isn't that gorgeous? Can you see the difference though, guys? On the back of my hand, that is the one. I love Latte there on the back of my hand. But can you see how the colour is slightly darker on my lips? Gorgeous. I love it. It's gorgeous. Ooh! Bye.